My thoughts exactly.
What are you doing here?
Looking for answers.
What are you doing here? Who's Bud, your trainer?
Oh no.
Run! Run!
No! No! What? Ruthless, no! Stop! It's okay! She's a friend! Toothless? Faster, Toothless. The knife you made.
I wouldn't.
We're dead.